spray tan season, people. I need one. I'm getting so white. Oh, good morning, everyone. It's Maddie here. It is a beautiful Saturday morning. I am just headed to the gym. I'm actually gonna go meet Taylor. After that, I'm gonna share with you a full day of eating with me, and it's gonna be a good one. So stay tuned. Speak of the devil. Hello. She's my best friend. Okay, so going to the gym, meeting sister, recap. And yeah, see you soon. Guys, I am back. It is about 2:30 in the afternoon. I'll usually have a snack around this time, usually a protein shake, but I was out and about today, so I just grabbed a protein bar quickly at the grocery store. One of these Go Macro bars. It's the dark chocolate and almond flavor, one of my favorite flavors. So I'm gonna snack on that, and then I will have my lunch in a little bit. And just a reminder, I am eating plant-based currently. I have been for a while. So if you see these recipes and think, oh, like I'm not eating plant-based, you can tailor these recipes to however you're eating at the time. If you eat meat or if you need to alter certain measurements or whatever, just remember, keep in mind, you can totally do that. Just because I'm eating plant-based doesn't mean it's the only way you can eat these meals. You can always add chicken to them or whatever you like. So I'm gonna snack on this, get a little bit of homework done, and then I'll probably have lunch in a little bit because I've been a hungry girl today. So stay tuned. All right, it's lunchtime. So I'm gonna share with you one of my new favorite salad recipes. I could eat it every day for the next year, honestly. It's so nutrient dense and it's so yummy. I love it. So let me show you what's in it. So for the base, we've got some baby spinach and baby arugula. We've got some quinoa and brown rice mix, some edamame, some chickpeas. I used half of an avocado, and then this creamy Caesar dressing. Let us make it. Get it? Love about plant-based eating is the way that it makes you focus on the more nutrient-dense foods. I feel like I crave nutrient-dense foods more now, even just when I'm snacking, as I'm eating more plant-based, because I love the way it makes me feel. So, just some food for thought. Literally. That's funny. Oh my gosh. I'm just here eating my salad. You guys, arugula's gotta be one of the best greens out there. It's just so tasty. I got really sick of romaine there for a while, so this salad puts me in another dimension. I'm going to sit down and enjoy my lunch here, and then I'm going to run some errands, and I'll be back with you for my dinner and dessert, which I'm so excited to share with you. Dessert. I love it. Nothing else I can say. That's it. was your day today?
It's good.
I haven't seen Corbin all day.
He's been training.
He went mountain biking today. All right, it's a little bit after 6 o'clock. Normally we'd be making dinner around this time. And usually I'd make a rice bowl or another salad or something. But tonight, it's the weekend, so we're going out to eat.
Tonight is the weekend.
Yep. So we're going out to eat. We're going to a Mediterranean restaurant that Taylor actually showed me. It's called GR Kitchen. I'm pretty sure it's just a local thing. I don't know if they have a lot of them, but it's really good. It's his first time going, so we'll
Vlog life.
We'll see how he likes it. But that will be the next meal in our full day of eating, and then we will have the last meal / most important meal of the day, which is what, Corbin?
I was listening.
The most important meal of the day, which is dessert. And
What? What was that? Dessert and what else? Come on in.
thank you. Alright, I got a falafel salad with some rice and olives and onions and pasta and pita. And Corbin here got a bowl. Didn't ya?
Yep.
Alright, first timer. What's your opinion?
It's pretty good. You guys need to go check it out. It's weird because you're supposed to look here.
Yeah.
But the screen's up there.
And then you want to look at yourself.
When he was like a history teacher and he's got like the hair
And then, yeah, and then he looks like such a dweeb.
and then now he's like
Okay, we're back.
We're back.
Okay, we're back. We're back from date night. And here with our final meal of the day. Corbin's happens to be some Halloween Oreos, really nutritious. My dessert is some cotton candy grapes, some strawberries, and topped off with some cocoa whip. Yummy. I hope you enjoyed this full day of eating with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you for joining me. We'll see you next time.